This is a message for the United States. This is a national alert. We have noted hundreds of residents across the country truly remember states such as Florida, Michigan, Maine, and Hawaii. There are no such states. There is a map shown on scene of the United States. Our nation has had 46 states ever since we accepted Alaska in 1959. Do not attempt to travel to these false states. This could end in a harmful situation. We have reason to believe residents of our country are experiencing hallucinations. Do make sure you are aware these memories are false and not real. This concludes this emergency message.